Now you can see a picture on the screen. That is different parts of our body. Can you see that picture? ഒരു ചിത്രം കാണുന്നുണ്ടോ? നോട്ട്ബുക്കിൽ ഒന്നും എഴുതണ്ട. നോട്ട്ബുക്കിൽ ഒന്നും എഴുതണ്ട, സ്ക്രീനിൽ നോക്കിയിരുന്നാ മതി കേട്ടോ. കുറച്ചു നേരം എവിടെ ഒന്നും എഴുതൊന്നും വേണ്ട. ഓക്കെ, ചിത്രം കാണുന്നുണ്ടോ? ഡിഫറെന്റ് പാർട്സ് ഓഫ് ദ ബോഡി. Okay, so these are different parts of our body like head, eye, ear, mouth, hand, leg, foot. Okay, similarly, our computer is also having different parts. Okay, so in our computer, we can see different parts of our computer. So one screen you can see in the middle, you can see a screen. Okay, this screen is called the monitor. So this is the screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this screen is called the monitor. So through monitor, we can see what we are doing in a computer. Okay, this is the monitor of a computer. So through the monitor, we can see our work and what computer is giving the result. Our work and result we can see through this monitor. Then left side of the monitor, you can see a box like item. This is known as CPU box. CPU box. Generally we call it as CPU. Okay. Then on the right hand side, you can see another small box. This is speaker, computer speaker. One speaker on right side, then another speaker on left side. Two speakers are connected to this computer. So these are speakers. Then another component you can see a small unit. This is microphone. This is called microphone for recording voice and sound to computer. We are using this device, microphone. Then on the front side you can see keyboard. So this part of the computer is called keyboard. This is the keyboard. Then near the keyboard you can see another device. This is known as mouse. Okay, these are the main parts of a computer. Some CPU, that is central processing unit or system unit. Then monitor. Then speaker, keyboard, mouse, microphone. Okay, I will show you one more picture. Okay, now this picture you can see. So this is a Apple monitor. You can see the picture of an Apple computer. Pardon? ഒന്നും എഴുതണ്ട, ഇവിടെ നോക്കിയിരുന്നാ മതി കേട്ടോ. ഇന്നിപ്പോ ഒന്നും എഴുതണ്ട, ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചിരുന്നാ മതി. ഓക്കെ, ഇന്ന് എഴുതണ്ട കേട്ടോ, ഇന്ന് എഴുതാനൊന്നുമില്ല. ഇനി പിന്നെ അടുത്ത ദിവസം ഉണ്ടാവും എഴുതാൻ. അടുത്ത ദിവസം നമ്മളൊരു എക്സാം നടത്തും, അടുത്ത ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ഒരു എക്സാം നടത്തും കേട്ടോ. ഓക്കെ, നൗ see this is the monitor. Okay, now is it clear? Monitor looks like a TV screen. അല്ലേ, ടിവിനെ മാതിരി കാണുന്നില്ലേ അത്? Monitor looks like a TV screen. So, okay, this is monitor. Can you see the picture? Can you see the picture?
Yes.
Okay, this is monitor. Then here, this is CPU box. Okay, CPU box. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit. So this is CPU box. Okay, now here you can see this is mouse. Using mouse. കാണാൻ പറ്റുന്നില്ല. എന്റെ കാണാൻ പറ്റാത്തവര് എൻഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഒന്നും കൂടെ ജോയിൻ ചെയ്യും കേട്ടോ. കാണാൻ പറ്റാത്തവർ മീറ്റിംഗ് എൻഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഒന്നും കൂടെ ജോയിൻ ചെയ്യും. ഓക്കെ. Okay, now this is mouse. So mouse is a pointing device using which we can move on the screen. Okay. Then this is the keyboard. Keyboard. So using keyboard we can type letters. Now I am typing these words using the keyboard. Okay, now top you can see this is the speaker.
Page number എത്രയാണ്?
This picture is not in the textbook. ഈ picture textbook il illa ട്ടോ. Textbook il വേറെ pictures ഉണ്ട്. ഇത് വേറെ picture ആണ്. Okay. So this is speaker. Speaker. Then here you can see another unit. This is printer. Printer. Using printer we can take result on a paper. You can see one printout is coming through the printer. Okay. Using speaker. Using speaker we can listen to sound that is coming from the computer. Okay. Speaker and mouse. This is mouse. Now what is this? Can you tell me what is this? Can you tell me what is this? This printer. Can you hear me? Printer. Okay, to take the printout. Okay, now you can see a small device near the keyboard. Okay, near the keyboard you can see a small device. This we call it as pen drive. This is pen drive. Pen drive is used for storing data. Okay, data, pictures, all we can store in this pen drive. Now here a small another box you can see. This is UPS. UPS means uninterruptible power supply. That means we need power, electricity for working a computer without break. Interrupt means break. So this box will contain a battery inside that. Even power goes off, this battery will give power supply to the computer. That is why it is called UPS, uninterruptible power supply. Then here you can see one more device. This is scanner. Scanner is a device using which we can store pictures to the computer. If we want to store pictures in a computer, we can use this device scanner. Okay, this is another picture showing different parts of a computer. Okay, one more picture I will show you. So these computers are different types, but main components will be along with all computers. That is central processing unit or CPU box, then monitor, keyboard and mouse will be along with all computers. Okay, now you can see this is another picture. In this also you can see CPU box. Okay, this is CPU box. This is CPU box. And what is this? What is this? What is this? Can you tell me what is this? Can you hear me?
Computer. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is monitor. Monitor. Okay. Now, anyone can tell me what is this?
Keyboard. Keyboard.
Keyboard. Okay, keyboard. Keyboard.
Keyboard.
Then, what is this?
Keyboard. Mouse. Mouse.
Mouse. Okay, now this. Okay, this 4 parts will be
Mouse.
with every computer, that is CPU box, monitor, keyboard and mouse will be with every computer. Then other parts are optional. Optional means if we want, we can connect all the other devices. You can see another device. This is webcam. Camera. This is web camera, using which we can transmit videos. We can see videos using this webcam. Then another device you can see, this is external hard disk. External hard disk. This is like pen drive. We can store large amount of data in external hard disk. So this is another type of printer. This is another type of printer. Okay, this is another type of scanner. Okay, this is another type of scanner using which we can store pictures to our computer. Okay, now you remember these 4 main parts: CPU box or the central processing unit, then monitor. Another name for monitor is visual display unit. Then keyboard. Keyboard is used for giving commands and typing letters. And mouse. Mouse is a pointing device. Okay, now look onto the monitor. On the monitor, you can see a border, black colored border. That is the frame of the monitor. Okay. Okay, after replying, you mute your microphone. Okay, Fadil, mute your microphone. Okay, now look onto the monitor. This monitor, inside the monitor, you can see an area that is showing pictures. Inside the monitor, you can see an area showing pictures. This area is called screen. Screen of the monitor. Okay, black area outside the screen is the frame of your monitor. So inside the frame, this screen is fitted. So this is a LCD or LED screen. Okay, latest monitors are coming in LED or LCD. Okay, that is, these monitors are sensitive. Do not hit on this monitor, that will damage that screen. Unlike the olden monitors, that is CRT monitors. Okay, now you understood the front portion of this monitor is called the screen. Mute your microphone. Okay, in the monitor, the front part of the monitor, we call it as screen. Jarshad, mute your microphone. Jarshad, okay. So in the screen, we can see what we are doing in the computer. And we can watch cartoons, we can see movies, all will be displayed in the screen of the monitor. Okay, nowadays, monitors are almost similar to television. Latest televisions are almost like a monitor, but the size will be bigger than a standard monitor. So size will be 22-inch. Standard computer monitors will be starting from 15-inch or 16-inch. the measurement we are taking diagonally. When you took the scale and measure in this direction, that is diagonal, this is the measure of the monitor. So this is the size of the monitor. This will be 16 inch, 17 inch or 18 inch, 20, 22. Different sizes of monitors are available. Then when you are going for television, television will be bigger in size, 32 inch or 53 inch, like that. Now we can move to the CPU box. So this is a CPU box. Inside the CPU box there is an electronic chip that we call it as microprocessor. So this is the microprocessor inside that CPU box. This we call it as chip or microprocessor. So generally this processor is also known as processing unit, central processing. Okay, this is the chip, or this is the, pardon, this is the chip inside the CPU box doing all the work inside the computer. Okay, these chips are manufactured by a company called Intel Corporation. That is why this Intel is printed on that chip.